back to my channel. Today, as you may see by the title, I will be cooking. I've never cooked on camera before. I do enjoy cooking. I just don't do it as much as I would like to, but I did have a phase in my life where I was cooking a lot. So I like to dabble every now and then. But for today, I'm gonna do something very simple because I don't want to be dragged by you guys. I don't want you guys to drag me. I'm very nervous because I haven't cooked in a while and I'm cooking on camera. People are going to be looking at how I chop, how I cook, essentially, and I'm kind of nervous. Please don't judge me. Bear with me. I'm not a chef. I'm not great at cooking. I just thought it would be fun to cook with you guys, see how I do, test my cooking skills. And obviously, if you guys enjoy it, we can maybe make it a series on here where I cook for you guys maybe every second week. But yeah, I'm babbling, I'm nervous. I still have to figure out how I'm gonna set everything up. But yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. I guess if you're seeing this and I posted it, but I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't think it's a great idea. You guys are gonna drag me. I hope I don't burn anything. Oh my god. Guys, I said please, please. So I'm gonna make butter chicken curry with rice, obviously. I usually make it with basmati rice, but I don't have right now, and I didn't get a chance to go to the shops, and I do want to cook tonight, so normal Tastic rice is just gonna have to do. And then I'm gonna make butternut on the side as well. That's my favorite. So just a straightforward curry and rice with a little veggie on the side. Um, I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna cheat, I have to admit. Woolworths has this butter chicken mix that they make already made that you can pour into the chicken and everything. That's usually how I make it. But obviously, I do add my own zhuzh to it so that I'm not completely using a whole butter chicken recipe. But you know what? Take me as I am, guys. Just take me as I am. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Never thought I'd see the day. I know I've promised you guys probably 10 million giveaways, but life always is. What you talking about, Willis? So now that I'm in a better space, mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, I think I can give you the giveaway that you guys deserve. But yeah, there's going to be two giveaways. One is going to be for hitting 10,000 when I did, because I didn't do one. And then one is going to be for the 20,000. So I hope you guys will like it. I still have to think about what I want to give away. You guys can suggest things down below. I know there is a video where I asked you to suggest, so I can always go back to that one. But yeah, the sun is coming down, so I better get to it. Subscribe. It's free. You enjoy me. I'm amazing. Okay, let's head to the kitchen. So I'm going to chop up the chicken breast into squares. This is because it makes it easier to cook, and also because chicken breast is very dry. The smaller the piece, the more moist it's going to be. Also, I'm chopping on a plate because I don't have a chopping board. Like I mentioned in my previous vlog, I recently moved and a lot of my stuff is in storage. So I guess my chopping board made it into storage as well. So I'm just using my plates. Then I'm going to transfer the chicken into a bowl. Again, I don't have any of my Tupperware, so I'm just going to use this white bowl. Then I'm going to spice the chicken. I like to mix my spices, so I'm going to use the steak and chop spice, which is my favorite, and also the chicken spice, of course. Then afterwards, I'm going to marinate the chicken in some Worcestershire sauce, just so, you know, it can suck up the juices, it can be more moist. This tends to really help with the dryness of the chicken. I know some people don't like to spice their chicken for their butter chicken curries, and I don't understand why, because a bitch gotta spice her chicken. Ain't nobody trying to have no bland chicken. Then I'm gonna chop up half an onion. I suck at chopping onions, so I am gonna skip past this part. And well, I'm really not bad at it, but I was lazy to chop properly, and I don't need people dragging me on YouTube saying I don't know how to chop an onion. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip right past it. In terms of the things inside that I took out, I don't know what they're called. I read somewhere that that's the thing that makes our eyes cry. So I like to take that out so that chopping is easier. I think maybe it's for flavor. So if you're an extremely onion flavorful person, you might want to keep it in there, but I take it out. Ain't no bitch trying to cry. In terms of rice, no, I do not measure with a cup. I don't know if anyone still does, but I just kind of just figure it out. I know I usually cook for myself, so I usually know how much rice to make. So yeah. I hope I don't need to explain how to make rice and butternuts. It's so simple. I'd like to think that as human beings, at least, we can make rice and butternuts. So if you don't know how to, then obviously you can just watch me do it. But I mean, come on. And I'm going to go ahead and start making the butter chicken. I'm not going to explain a lot throughout this process. I mean, you can just watch and see what's happening. Obviously, I'm going to throw in the onion to test how hot the oil is. Then just add all the onion and start cooking. You guys already know the drill. We're going to wait for the onion to become slightly brown. Then I'm going to add the Rajah spice. And of course, I have to cook to some music. Y'all already know me. And then after that, I will then throw in the chicken, fry up the chicken, and then I will put in the butter chicken sauce. I'm missing the butter chicken footage for some reason, but I literally just threw in the sauce. Nothing amazing or different happened there. And then, yeah, you will watch the rest. So I usually wait for the chicken to be close to cooked, and then I'll add the butter chicken sauce, and then after that I let it sizzle a little bit, and then I clean up my cooking station, and then after that I do the rest. once I've let it simmer, then I will lower the heat and I add some cream. There's no butter chicken recipe that does not need cream. On the package it says it's your choice, but I feel like it should be mandatory. So yeah, just add a little bit of cream. That really adds the, I don't know how to explain it, but it just makes it taste so good. My temperature was a bit too high. I hate cooking on gas stoves because you're not in full control of the temperature, but I would suggest that you make sure that your temperature is low. And that's the finished meal. Very quick and easy and yummy, if I can say so myself. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you want more of these, please comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you, bye.